Does your breakfast look this creamy? I'm swapping grains today to show you how to make the ultimate comfort bowl that has more protein than your usual oatmeal. Zero refined sugar, topped with fresh antioxidant-rich berry jam. This creamy porridge will fuel your whole morning and it won't leave you hungry an hour later. We start by rinsing half a cup of quinoa to remove any bitterness. Transfer it to a blender cup. We are going to sweeten our porridge with dates. They are whole food, providing fiber, nutrients and antioxidants, rather than just empty calories. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and your favorite milk. We are going to add half of the milk first. It will blend better this way. Now into a small saucepan with the rest of the milk. Cook on low to medium heat, constantly stirring to avoid lumps. It will only take a couple of minutes to cook. I like serving this porridge with raw mixed berry jam. Here I have about 150 grams of defrosted frozen berries, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I don't want to blend them till smooth, just enough to crush the berries. Now I'm curious, are you team oatmeal or team quinoa? Let me know in the comments if you'd try this swap. And if you want more plant-powered plates, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one!